There are many sources of waste biomass that are not being used at present. Experts say that 34 million tons of biomass are wasted in Northwest Europe. If we only use 10% of this potential resource, we could probably avoid 3 million tons of CO2 emissions. We could produce 11 million tons of biochar from these sources for a multitude of purposes. With this, we could create new income sources and new employment. Our European network has developed an interdisciplinary approach. It combines state-of-the-art technology with sustainable regional development to support the circular carbon economy. We call our approach integrated biomass and carbon management. And this is how it works. There are multiple sources of biomass, whether in urban or rural environments. The raw materials must be prepared prior to carbonization. Some just need to be dried and crushed. Grass and leaves and all soft green residues need a special process. IFBB, Integrated Generation of Solid Fuel and Biogas from Biomass. Here the raw materials are processed into silage, which allows them to be stored without decaying. But how is this bale then converted into energy? First, the silage is dissolved in warm water. Subsequent dewatering creates a high-energy silage fluid, which is then fed into the biogas plant. Biogas can be converted into electricity and heat in the cogeneration plant, CHP. The press cake, the solid components of the silage, is dried with waste heat from the CHP. Now the press cake is ready for carbonization, a process called pyrolysis. This pyrolysis plant is built in Baden-Baden, Germany. At 700 degrees in the reactor, the raw materials become carbonized. By adding steam, the carbon is converted into activated charcoal. In addition, the plant creates thermal energy, which can be used to dry new raw materials. There are a multitude of different products that can be produced from this carbon. Here in Baden-Baden, the biochar is used for the purification of effluent. It also can be used, for example, as a raw material for cosmetics or in the process of producing pharmaceuticals. The circular carbon economy is a seedbed for innovators and creative startups. In Germany, students from the Master of Entrepreneurship at the University Duisburg-Essen are already designing new products and services based on biochar feedstock. The strategy replaces fossil coal with carbon derived from renewable sources and can be used to clean water and soils and improve the efficiency of smell and pollutant reduction. This material can also serve as carbon sinks and promote carbon sequestration. There's a huge potential for alternative carbon products. However, we also predict a growing demand for advice, support and management services. These will help to develop the collection, processing and conversion of waste biomasses into carbon products, the operating of regional conversion plants and the management of regional and European product, value and supply chains. Integrated biomass management is the starting point for sustainable regional development.
Ja, wir haben vor